The Snapchat error code C04A typically appears when Snapchat detects suspicious activity, login issues, or security related restrictions on your account or device. It can also happen if you are using VPNs, rooted devices, or have network problems. Here is how to fix it on Android. Start by restarting your phone, which can quickly clear minor glitches. Then switch your internet connection. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as Snapchat might be blocking certain IP addresses. Next, check if you are using any VPNs or proxies. If so, turn them off immediately. Snapchat doesn't allow VPN based logins in some cases, and these might be triggering the C04A error. Now head to the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and check if an update is available. If yes, update the app and then go to the settings, then apps, then manage app or app management depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, and tap clear cache to remove any corrupt temporary files. If that doesn't help, try clearing data as well. Just make sure you remember your Snapchat login credentials because this will log you out. Still not working? Uninstall Snapchat, then reinstall it from the Play Store for a clean, updated version. Avoid using modified Snapchat apps or third party tools. Those can also lead to account restrictions or errors. If the problem persists, check Snapchat's server status at downdetected.com or reach out to Snapchat support at support.snapchat.com and explain the issue. After following these steps, the C04A error should be resolved and you will be able to use Snapchat normally again.